Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, in this video, I am explaining my final year project. Title is the fake news detection using multimodal deep learning part. So in here, the main abstract is here with the rise of social media, digital news platforms. Fake news has become serious issues. It can mislead people, spread misinformation quickly, and even create political or social unrest. The goal is my project build a system can detect a fake news not just from plain text but also from image like memes or screenshot things often uh, often shared online. To do this, I developed a multimodal framework that combines several deep learning techniques. So first of all, the deep learning techniques I am using the B directional directional LSTM model and analyzed text and achieved it's about 99 accuracy in benchmark data sets. Then I'm using the OCR, the optical character recognition, which extract text from images so we can analyze image based news tools too. Then finally I integrated large language model LLM. I'm using the DeepSeek API, verify the content and double check whether it is fake or real. So like that. Then all of this happens in real time, and I have designed a simple web interface using React and fast API where users can either upload an image, enter the news text manually. The system then gives a clear output or real or fake within explanation. In this video I will talk through abstract problem, and I type novelty of my system. Those things I will explain. Actual implementation. Let's get started. First, we are going to the problem statement. Problem statement also in here. You can see, yeah, the problem statement. The spread of fake news has become a huge issue, especially with how fast moves across social media and digital platforms. It affects public opinion, spreads misinformation, and can even influence cause panic during health crisis. So the problem statement, fake news, automated multimodal detection system leveraging deep learning techniques and the novelty is what makes my project different is a multimodal approach. It doesn't just look at text but also handle images and can even verify result using LLM model also. For example, if someone shares a memes or screenshot containing fake news, my system extract the text using OCR and checks if it fake or real. And after that, the initial prediction from the BALSTM model, I have added a second layer verification using the DeepSeek LLM API, which gives us an semantic explanation and help across check the prediction. On top of that, I have designed a very simple user interface where users can drag and drop images to type their own text. The system responds in the real time, giving both prediction and explanation, making it is to understand trust uh, trust the result. Then DeepSeek and BALSTM uh, at the core of the system. is the BLSTM model, which analyzes the text content and predicts whether the news is fake or real. This model was trained label data set reached around 99% accuracy. After the BLSTM makes its prediction, I sent some content to the DeepSeek API also, which use a large LLM sentimental evaluate the statement. This help to uh, either confirm the BLSTM result, highlight possible consideration by commenting both prediction use rule based logic. We get more reliable and explainable result. So then I'm moving to my model part. This is my model part. So here model file, and here the main backend file and front end file also there, the main front end. In here this is a predicting LLM part I added here. Then move to the LSTM part. Here you can see here this is LSTM prediction, and this is a LLM prediction, and the model H5 I showed that model file is H5 Keras format, and I'm using that one. Also the OCR converter also here you can see the then second one is the, yeah, this is the backend part. So here you can see the, wait, I will close this terminal. Yeah, this is a API LSTM part, and predict LSTM, predict LLM, and main part, and the API key is DeepSeek API key. I am using that one. Here you can see the DeepSeek key and LSTM stuffs also. Then yeah, here this is a model, my model BALSTM. So here I imported libraries, pandas. Mm, yeah, I use Python as a main programming language, and several libraries including pandas and nami, and data handling and NLTK for natural language processing, and TensorFlow, Keras building deep learning model. I have also used visualization libraries, Zeberon, word cloud, understand the data set. Once the model was trained, I served as a .h5 file, which I later connect to my Flash backend and real-time prediction on news guidelines. Here, then here you can see the data sets, true data set and fake data set, and data loading and cleaning also there. You can see data cleaning, and I started my importing two data set, one containing fake news and another with real news named fake CSV and true CSV. These data set contain columns like the news title, the body text, subject, and the date. But for this project I focused only the news titles because I wanted to make a model lightweight and fast. I assigned 0 to fake news and 1 to real news, and dropped the text, subject, and date columns. After that I merged both data set into the undefined data frame and renamed the cleaned up column news. Then I did root test processing, clean data, convert all text to lowercase, removed URL, special character, functions, and numbers, removed stopword using the NLTK stopwords list. This helped us simplify the input for the model, reduce noise in the text. So this is a pre-processing and cleaning part. I already told the 0 and 1, and here data sets also here. Then after the data visualization, here you can see the visualization part and test data visualization part. To get better understanding of the data, I use Zibon to create a count plot which shows how many fake or reals like that here. uh, then I used a word cloud generate visualization to most common words across all news headlines. This helped identify frequent patterns, and it's also a great visual for presenting to others. So here, then after that, using the text processing of the deep learning input, next I proceed the clean text model input. I use uh, Potter streamer from NLTK reduce words to their root forms. This helps standardize words. For example, running, runner, and run all become run. After the streaming, applied one hot encoding to convert each word to unique index vocabulary size 5000, and this means each word is now represent as a number. Here you can see, then I used the padding to make the input sequence the small same length. In this case 20% sentence. So now each news headlines is represented as a sequence of 20 numbers, making it ready to fed into the neural network. Okay, then model creation BLSTM architecture also here. Streaming and vectorization is here. Here you can see the wait. I will show the yeah output there. Here you can see the accuracy is 99 percentage, and well accuracy is 92. You can see that. Then the predicting from the test data also here. Model creation BLSEM architecture. I build my model using Keras API, and architecture is simple but powerful. First, I added uh, embedding layer which transforms each word index into the vector for size 40. Then I added the BILSTM layer with 100 units. Then is the core of the model. It's process the sequence both forward and backward directions, which helps capture more context from the sentence. I include the dropout layer with zero point 0.3 prevent overfitting. Finally, I added dense layer with activations with outputs either 0 or 1, meaning for fake or real, like that. I use that one. And here you can use the true label and predict label, fake news and true news also there. And I save the model h5 file. Then after that I will run and show the result the model training. I split the data set into the training data using the 33 percentage data testing and the model evaluation part also here. After the training, I evaluate the model on the text data. I generate the predictions and compare them with the actual label. I used the config matrix, so the number true positive for false positives, true negatives, false negatives, and a classification a report to the get metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score also. Then serve the model as H55 I already told. Then testing with the custom news headline, like to test the model the real example. I have the sample fake headlines. Then I pass the headline to the same processing pipeline, streaming on hot encoding and the padding. Then loaded the H5 file, predict output. the model returned the values 0 0.5, which means the news classified fake, and that's correct result. Then so this is the model how it's worked or like that. Then the go to the summary part. So to the summarize the build the trained BLS team based fake news detection model, um, that achieves 99% accuracy and served the model H5, lightweight applications and fake news detection system, and now fully integrated my web app using the React and Flask. Here, then I will run this code. You can see the outputs here. Then I will run the code. First, I run the front end part. You can see the front end, front end page, and npm start. The front end is running. You can see. Then after that, env file activate. env file activate, and go to the square backend, backend server, then start the main file. Then backend is running. You can see already I show the main file, the API key also there, DeepSeek. It's running. Mm, then you can see the here I will put some fake news here, investigation, and here you can see the predict. It's a fake, the LSTM prediction, and after that the LLM, the DeepSeek one, it take time. It's also fake. This is my overall idea. So this news is LSTM prediction also fake, and LLM prediction also fake. Then I will check this one. This is a OCR connector. Track one. Wait, I will show the here. So the picture is the CEO of Google. So I extracted text from that image, and here you can see the extract image. It's not accurately, or I'm using the OCR converter, but it's some spelling mistake I found. Then that this is the LSTM prediction is real, and it's take time to the LLM prediction one, and the DeepSeek, that one also real. So the picture is the CEO, CEO of Google, no. So the LSTM prediction and LLM prediction also, oh, real. Then I will check another thing. I will create a sample images. Uh, Here you can see the extra text, and this is the LSTM prediction, and this is one LLM prediction. Yeah, here you can see the real predictions, and this is a UI, the extra text and LSTM prediction and LLM prediction also there. Uh, that's it. That is my whole project. Uh, then thank you so much to watching this video.